All right, guys, it was such a windy day out. I cut some of the audio out because it just was picking up so much of the wind on both devices. But let's get into the video here. I'm going to go ahead and raise the audio back up on the file here so you can see how it was. Audio is coming from the Galaxy S9, by the way. The iPhone was way too low. Enjoy the video. Me, which one, sorry you felt a little shake there. My phone slipped a little bit. But tell me which one you think is doing better. Or which one do you like better? I shouldn't say which one is doing better. So I know a lot of you guys ask me what's accurate. The sky is always wrong on Galaxy devices. And first of all, I apologize because it's a real windy day. But in this setting, the iPhone is definitely more accurate. The sky looks more like, from what I can see through the viewfinder, the iPhone is definitely producing the colors more accurately in the sky. So you tell me what you think about this extended look in 4K at 60 FPS. Tell me which one you think looks better. Again, I apologize for the very windy day. Let's take a look at my sign here. Ooh, folks, that's close. Both of them are really accurate. I don't know. I don't believe either one of these phones claim to have any kind of stabilization on them. Look at that cloud over there. It's just beautiful. Let's go for a walk, though. Looks like the S9 is stabilized a little bit better. See my shadow. So extended look. Get some of that grass. You can kind of see. Again, I apologize for the windy day. Beautiful out here. It was storming and then all of a sudden it cleared up. What do you guys think, man? What do you think about the footage that these phones produce? Leave a comment down below. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next video.